Environment variables are used in all sorts of different ways. You can display the value of an environment variable. You can also use it in scripts, such as boot up scripts and things like this, so that certain things are executed when the machine is turned on, or when you log in, or when you're logging off, or something of that like. They're used in programming also. So we're going to take a look at a few of the environment variables that are used quite often. Open a terminal window. And the first thing I want to show you is how to use the set command. So we use our pipe and more. And you see the beginning of a list of what the environment variables are that have been set so far. And it also gives you the value of them. So you can see there's a lot of them set. Now let's look at just one of those variables. We're going to use the echo command and then the environment variable to display what the home directory is. Notice it has to start with a $mark and it's all capital letters. You can see that my home directory is /home/Julie. Another one that would be useful is the host name. So the name of this PC is Fedora 13 Demo. Let's look at how your prompt is configured. The /U is for the user, then the @ and then /H is the host name, then the space, and then the /W tells us the name of the current working directory. And if you're setting it to the home directory, then a tilde is used. Tilde always refers to the user's home directory. The his_size variable tells you how many commands will be stored in the history file. Now the most important one in my mind is the path command. It's a listing of directories separated by a colon that's used in the search path when you're executing a command. Here's an example of how you can change one of your environment variables. So let's change the look of the prompt. You have to surround the input with quotes. And that puts the $mark, or the symbol, whether it's a user or a root user. Close it with a quote. And now you see the result. There's many uses for the environment variables, and even more environment variables that can be set.